Roger, Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Morning, ground, again, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Western North Taxi, India.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Grand Junction runway 11, taxi Alpha.
1 via Alpha, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha. Hawker 900 Victor Alpha.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Grand Junction hold to runway 11, waiting at for release.
Full Detroit 11, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha.
Hawker 0 Victor Alpha, runway 11, clear takeoff.
Go. Morning, departure, you got Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, heading 150, 7.4 to 14,000.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Denver, departure, radar contact for direct to direct to the junction, VOR.
Right turn, direct to junction VOR, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, you're looking to do some air work once you get on center frequency?
Yes, that's correct, for, in the mid-teens for about 10 minutes.
Victor Alpha, roger, there is some late precip in the vicinity of the junction, VOR, about 100 miles in diameter, so far it's just showing late. Denver 900 Victor Alpha, climbing Tampa level 260.
Flight level 260, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, if you want to stop below that, just talk to Denver Center, you can contact them now, 134.5, have a great day.
34.5, we'll see you.
So tight.
Grand Junction climbing 12.5 to 260.
No, 900 Victor Alpha, roger. And did you need to stop somewhere along the climb to do some air work, or you just need to climb all the way up?
No, that is correct. Once we get on top here, we'd like to stop for about 10 minutes to do some checks.
900 Victor Alpha, roger. Just let me know what altitude you want to stop at, and we'll sign it.
Copy, we'll let you know, 900 Victor Alpha. Hawker 900 Victor Alpha with request.
Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, good.
Yeah, looking for a block altitude of 18,000 to 200.
900 Victor Alpha, maintain block, Bravo 180 to Bravo 200.
Block 18 to 200. Thank you, sir. 900 Victor Alpha.
It's air work for us.
Just about 10 minutes or less.
Yeah, just continue on your route of flight, or at least that direction. You're cleared to navigate right and left. When you're able to pursue direct Wasatch and advise.
Okay, when we're ready, we'll go to Wasatch and advise. 900 Victor Alpha.
Victor Alpha, Denver Center. Number 900 Victor Alpha, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Denver Center, radio check. Number 900 Victor Alpha, Denver Center, radio check. Number 900 Victor Alpha, Denver Center.
And 900 Victor Alpha, Denver approach, contact Denver Center on 134.5.
Silver Street 61, can you broadcast on guard for 900 Victor Alpha? It's a Hawker jet just departed Grand Junction, 900 Victor Alpha. They fell off radar and comms, and they're up in the flight levels 18 to 20, or at least they were a second ago. Can you call out and see if you can figure out what's going on? It looks like they might have some sort of electrical issue. Both their transponder and radios shut off now.
Okay, I'll switch to guard, give them a try.
Yep, just call on guard for a bit.
900 Victor Alpha, Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, citation 245 Kilo J on guard. Alpha 5 Kilo J on guard.
And Silver Speed 61's back. I tried twice, no answer on guard.
Silver Street 61, roger, thanks, appreciate you trying. Clear direct comfort, plan the ILS.
Comfort, plan the ILS, we do have the 1 minute weather, Silver Speed 61.
November 900 Victor Alpha, Denver Center. Hawker 900 Victor Alpha, Denver, radio check.